that somewhere around like negative what? Like 3.5 maybe? And this one, square root 27, isn't that like negative 5.2 or something? Are you okay? You don't need to know exact, but are you okay? Generally, we can kind of get a basic plot. So negative 3.5, and then negative 5.2, like somewhere around there. Are you guys okay with that? This one, is it the same numbers? Except this one's going to be about 3.5 comma 5.2-ish. Kind of got those points down. Okay. Oh, can we put asymptotes? I can put my asymptotes. Where are they at? Aren't they at 2 and negative 2? Okay, 2 and negative 2 got my asymptote. Good. Okay. Oh, wait, what else other asymptote do we have? Then we have a slant. And the slant asymptote was y equals x. So doesn't that mean we start at 0, we go up 1 over 1? So won't there be some sort of slant asymptote in the middle of this graph? We okay? Okay. Now, can you see there's probably going to be a graph chilling right here, hitting that red dot and turning around? Can you imagine that? Now, because you have all the asymptotes kind of controlling your movement, let's just check. From this red dot to the left, isn't it increasing and concave down? So doesn't that mean it's probably going to do that? And then from the red dot to the orange line, isn't it decreasing and concave down? So can you imagine it looking like this? Does that follow my information? Is it also a relative max like it said? Alright. Looking at this one. Okay, this is a little bit hard. There's some sort of graph. By the way, could this graph go through this slant asymptote? Doesn't a slant asymptote talk about the end results, not the inside results? So even though that slant asymptote's there, it's not part of the graph. It's not part of the middle of the graph. It's not. You can go through it. Anywho, from negative 2 to 0, right here, it's decreasing but concave up. Can you imagine this? Isn't that decreasing but concave smiley up? Doesn't it have a slope of 0 at that point? Yeah. And then for the next interval, isn't it decreasing but concave down? Can you see that? Again, my graph's not perfect, but can you see it? Is that a point of inflection? Does it change happy to sad? Does it go decreasing? Does my slope equal 0 for a second? It kind of flattens out and levels again. It's okay if it goes through the slant asymptote. Okay. For this interval, from the orange line to the red dot, that's, where is that? Right here? So it's it's decreasing but concave up. You guys okay with that? It's decreasing but has a happy look to it. And then the last interval is increasing but concave up. So wouldn't that kind of be like that? Again, there's your important points. If you wanted to label them, isn't that a relative min, like we said here? Isn't this a relative max, like we said here on the table? Didn't we say it's a point of inflection at 0, 0? Does all our characteristics agree with the graph? Yes.